It's a one-woman story. It's a play by a British playwright, Dennis Kelly, and it follows her most of her life, how she gets to know the person that she falls in love with, how she starts a family, how her belief in herself grows, how she finds what she's passionate about, and then also the solution of her family and this tragedy that occurs in her life, and all the reasons and hints about how it happened, why it happened, the not only personal experience but societal. And if there is one sentence that I have found for myself how to describe it shortly, it's about the best that we as humans are capable of and of the worst that we are capable of.
Tai gal didžiausias kūrybinis iššūkis buvo, kad 90 minučių monologe reikėjo sukurti gyvenimo virsmą. Ir apie tokias istorijas mes dažniausiai išgirstame, sužinome iš žiniasklaidos ir be jokios abejonės bandome jas ignoruoti, vedami savisaugos instinkto. Bet teatre tokios istorijos tampa labai artimos. Ir mano herojė netgi sako žiūrovams, jeigu pasidarys sunku, atminkit 2 dalykus, kad tai nutiko ne jums ir kad tai nevyksta šiuo momentu. Gerai? Tačiau pradžia šio spektaklio yra labai linksma, ta herojė labai šmaikšti, labai atvira, labai optimistiška, labai empatiška, tačiau vėliau spektaklyje atskleidžiama ta tragedija, kurią jai teko patirti, ir vis tik tai finale ji išlieka mylinti, lygiai tokia pati atvira. Ji nepamiršta to skausmo, bet ji toliau gyvena meilėje ir su meile.
What is also very special about it is that, of course, it's a mono performance, so it really flows through the actor, and the actor makes it come alive. So despite me coming back to this material, and of course I'm bringing some ideas that I had already found, but we have found so many new ideas here as well, just thanks to Goda and how she works and the kind of person she is and the actress that she is.
So the question about music in this play is very interesting, because at the beginning when I read the play I thought that there should be no music actually, because the text is so so sufficient and the actor work is so tremendous and interesting, and also the way of speech and the way of talking in this play is so very natural that I thought that adding some sound to it would just make it seem like it is a theater, not as a real conversation or real monologue by a human being who's standing in front of us. Since this is a mono play with a solo actress, it is very important for me to also help her be on stage, because to be alone on this stage, I can imagine it can be very daunting and very terrifying at times. And the other side of it was that there are these scenes that are based in memories and that are based on the characterization and with this dialogue of people who are not present. And to capture these voices of people, of human beings who are not present, was maybe the biggest challenge that I had to do.
Na taip, tai yra monospektaklis, ir kaip kitose spektakliuose vis tiek tu daliniesi iššūkiais kūrybiniais su kolegomis, iššūkiais ir pergalėmis. Čia tu kovoji pats su savim. Buvo žiauriai įdomu, neįtikėtinai įdomu. Čia tik mano vaizduotė. Aišku, galėčiau prisiminti gražias akimirkas. Tad darbui reikėjo skirti ypatingą dėmesį. Aš manau, kad šitam spektaklyje tas herojės, šitos mano herojės gyvenimas tampa bandymu per kalbą ir pasakojimą suvokti pačių sunkiausių patirčių prasme, suvokti tas pačias sunkiausias patirtis, išgyvenimus, per kalbą, per pasakojimą kitiems žmonėms. Dėl to jinai ir pasakoja, jinai netiesiogiai iš karto pradeda apie tą sunkią patirtį, ne pradžių jinai truputį lankais eina ir po to truputėlį sako, vis tik tai šitos dalies dabar bus sunki ta dalis ir mes negalim jos praleisti. Ir tuo aš papasakosiu ir jinai tą papasakoja.
I think it's a wonderful opportunity that it's this full spectrum of emotion in one performance, and really it's the credit of very good dramaturgy and of course the work of an actor to be able to bring us to both laughter and then to tears. Of course, part of it is that it's not just dramaturgy, it's also life, it's also somewhat documentary, and I really hope that the audience take away from it the power we all hold in finding hope, in being kind to one another, in taking care of one another, and how we come together to create these rules and laws and boundaries, and how to upkeep them. Because as we see also from what's happening around us, these beautiful things that we have created, like democracy and human rights and women's rights, unfortunately they're very fragile. So it's our duty as a community to keep them strong and to protect them and to protect one another.
Beje, aš žinau, kad jų čia nėra. Juk aš negalvoju, kad taip yra. Aš žinau, kad taip nėra. Žinau, kad jų nėra.